We are here at Goodwill. I parked next to a nice car so we won't get kidnapped. You know what I mean? My sister is running really fast away from me. So it's really rude.
Oh, that's actually really cool. It's cute.
Pretty good.
Do you think it's gross? I wouldn't like use it to like sell artwork. This would be pretty in the living room too. Even though it's the same.
Oh, it's beautiful. Very cute. There's no button though. It's so okay.
This beauty in the men's section. Looks like they being the never wears Prada. So you leave me early for tea and I get that too. Can you?
It looks like a picnic bag.
I would love to get a tiny little shop to go build your like food stuff.
Wow. It's an espresso machine.
Oh, don't yeah, I've seen those.
Oh.
I don't have to drink.
They're way too long. Flip flop. Flip flop. Are way too big. Looks like a dodo thing. Goodbye. Pretty thing. Cabinet, glass cabinet. Huh.
So I just double dipped.
We are walking back to the car.
Oh!
Where's the car?
Yes! Dang!
Yeah, I smell the skunk. Oh no, it's gone. Okay.
Oh, I see the car.
I see the car. I can smell McDonald's or something that smells really good. Now I'm hungry. Oh, we gotta get to Kiev.
Firstly, I got this really cute shirt with like sequins on it. It's really, look at it in the sun. It's really cute. I actually found this in the men's section rather randomly. And then I also found this really sweet pillow. I thought it was really cute. It reminded me of my grandma's house.
I got 0.
Hand sanitizer! Okay, whoa.
Hallelujah.
ASMR.
Not sponsored, but definitely. Not sponsored, but definitely welcomed. And very needed.
Let's go home so we can do the water.
We are now exiting the parking lot and going home. We are home and we are very tired.
Yeah.
And I will be going upstairs and taking a shower and getting out of these Goodwill
Shower
pants.
and nap time.
Shower and farm chores.
Yeah,
for her.
Unfortunately.
We just got a lot of snow recently, like on, I think, Friday. And some of it has still not melted. Oh! That's a lot of mud. Oh my goodness. She's doing the cows' water. Cows are over there. We are over here. And I think we live on 7 acres. Give me a sec, I gotta navigate my way through all the mud stuff. All the mud is from the snow. And we have a lot of snow, so it's very muddy. There are our chickens. Here's snow from a recent snowstorm we had. Oh, don't look at that, that's leftovers. But here are our chickens. These ones are the young ones, and they run really fast. And that brown one is our oldest one, and she's rather slow because she's a little chunky. Let's say she got most of the corn. Madre is making spaghetti.
Barely defrosted. And I even called Dad. I was that I could
I need to stop looking at myself and look at the actual camera of the thing. Ginger. Jenny.
I wasn't going very fast. So even if I crashed into something.
Oh, up, Benny, up.
It was fine. I could say
Yeah. How have you been today? Which means rounding up a whole bunch of trash like cardboard and paper and stuff like that. No, I'm sorry, I don't have any food. I'm just throwing away cardboard. Delicioso. Oh. I didn't think I was gonna do any farm work today. Apparently I am. I don't see any other bags that have flown away. Oh, I found one. Found more bags. A whole bunch of bags in the one bag. Let's go. It's like a game of Jenga. I'm surprised it has not fallen yet. There's one hiding in the car. Multiple hiding in the car. Can you grab those for me?
Who is you?
Me is Grace. Please grab those. I don't want to grab them myself.
No camera.
I cannot walk. Please grab. Thank you. Dankeschön. Oh my. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Thank you very much. Oh my. Yeah, put them on the ground. I'll grab them in a second. Yeah. Thank you very much for your service. Thank you. Oh, okay. All the bags are full of water. My hair is my mouth. Oh! Okay. This one is especially full of water.
You're trying to film me doing my chores.
Chores. Mine's full of water. delicious.
Yeah, so it's mine.
Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, ready for this? Oh my gosh, we got even more coming from Le Brother. Oh, okay. Here is the. Is this done? Oh, is this done? Are we done?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, yeah. So here's all the blow away bags that fly away in the wind. Ready for excuse me. Got to press pause on my playing my video. I think we might have a hole in the rope. I mean the hose. There's chickens. This is a lovely farm picture of trash and chickens and a broken hose. I think this is like poetic. Beautiful chickens, trash, and a broken hose. So aesthetic. And I think I am done with chores. There's a cow in the background. My hair looks kind of crazy. Here are the cows. The big one is eating the feed, and the big one is staying behind. Oh no, he's going around. Is he getting the feed? Oh, very nice. Very nice. Keeping his distance. Very smart. Very smart of him. Very nice. What we eating tonight, boys? What we eating? What is this? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to step on that. Sweet feed? Some type of 10%. I don't know. Yeah. Is it good? These are our meat cows. So their names are Cheeseburger and Cheeseburger 2. Walking back into the house now. I need to go get the lighter to actually start the fire. Oh wait, did you already get a lighter? Yeah. Oh, okay. Is that on fire? Oh. I'm gonna go check out the fire. So we have a broken hose that is constantly spraying into the fire, which I think is hilarious. Fire. Fire. Let there be light. Oh, it's moving. The fire is growing. So is the smoke. I finished the day by eating some really good spaghetti and by reading a little bit of my book. Thank you for watching my day of thrifting and farm work, and I shall see you later. Adios.